Hear me. Greetings. This is Godfrey Chafudzika, well known as Mad Minox, the Ghetto Crown King. Seen? Yeah. I'm the extraordinary one. But in life I've been used, abused, insulted. But through the works of the Almighty, here I am. I'm still going. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? No problem. I see everybody have feelings. You need to know my feelings, but to say my feelings, but the social media is ratidzana kuti apa ndo pari kuitika zvinhu. I make things happen. Some of you don't do nothing. You just watch and watch and watch. Tine vanhu vanoclaima kuti ndo vakaunza reggae music muZimbabwe. Now, reggae music was there. Now they want to ban Zimdancehall on the radio. I don't know if it's on the radio alone. They might ban it nationwide. These advocates don't even know, even during time of Roddie, the strong music was banned. Thomas Mapfumo music was banned from the radio. But he's still out there playing his music. And the best music of Thomas Mapfumo was from them times in the 70s and early 80s. So if you want to take out food from a Zimdancehall artist because you don't agree with the lyrics, something wrong with you. Apana varikudongwavha ngwavha, varikutsvagawo mari, varikutsvagawo kutandara, varikutsvaga kwekuswera, vari kuimba zviri kuitika around ivo. In Jamaica, Bob Marley was totally shut down. Reggae music nearly was banned because it was called rebel music, meaning kuti music yeku inoita kuti vanhu vapanduka against varungu. Mazvinzwisisa? Zimdancehall is music inoita kuti vamwe vanhu vaite fringe, vamwe vanomerera vakainzwa. Saka I don't know kuti kana muda kuti music ibanwe paradio, mune muda kuridza music yakaita sei? What's the solution? You don't have the solution. You just have a problem. If Zimdancehall is a problem, give us the solution, my youth. Amutaura muchidaro. Vanhu vese vandaverenga Metro avo, vakomana vanoitwa Cedric Steele, a Black Giant, and ndo vakaunza music. Trevor Hall, no, havasiri vakaunza reggae music. Vakatouya takutoenda kudance, hativazive. But we respect them as our brothers from a different world. We embrace those two guys and many more. I never look at anybody as a foreigner in Zimbabwe. They are my good friends. But they are nothing close to bringing reggae music to Zimbabwe. Nowhere close. When you talk about reggae music in Zimbabwe, you talk about Freddie Zindi, you talk about Mike Mundwa. Those are the originals of reggae music in Zimbabwe on the radio station. Not even Dennis Wilson. Dennis Wilson came later. But munhu unotaura pawakatangira waiziya isusu takatangira unana Fred Zindi nana Mike Mundwa ndo vakatanga kuridza reggae music muZimbabwe paradio kubva kwazoya Africa A1 Sound ana Power Chtemere and Brothers with the sound system style, of which Fred Zindi and Mike Mundwa were already playing the sound, but it wasn't that popular. Africa A1 made the sound system popular. You cannot rewrite history, Rasta. When William Sinclair came, Jabi came to Zimbabwe, there was already sound system playing, that is Africa A1. When they started Level Vibes, it was in the mid 80s. Music was already playing, Rasta. So let's give respect where it's due. Don't bring Trevor Hall and Cedric Steele in this, because there's Mike Mundwa, Freddie Zindi, Power Chtemere of Africa A1. Those are the foundation. You can argue with yourself. Do your math. Freddie Zindi is still alive. You can go ask him. Mike Mundwa is still alive. You can go ask him. Power Chtemere died. You understand? Those are the foundation of reggae music in Zimbabwe. Reggae music aiwa mbomirai. Takazviziva tiri vana vadiki, tanga tiri marebel. Tangoita vana vadiki pakuenda kuhondo chete. Otherwise kudai hondo yakaitwa ndi 16 years pangu nditori munhu ex-combatant manje. But I was too young. Saka Zimdancehall haife yakabanwa because one person ataura. Siya vana vaite zvavanoda, vaimbe zvavanoda. Not kutaura kuti Zimdancehall should be banned on the radio. For what? Then what after that? What are you going to play? What's your solution? Tell me. What kind of music are you going to play? In the 70s, we used to listen to rock and roll, jazz. It wasn't by choice. Zimdancehall is by choice. We love it. So is we love reggae music and Chimurenga music and all type of music like Sungura. We love it. Variety is the spice of life, my friend. You cannot only play one set of music on the radio. Remember that. Rude boy dog. Wapana Zimdancehall avakwanisi kukutaurira zvandokutaurira, sitokutaurira isu. And hapana futi zvamunondita. And I'm the defender of anything that is close to music, especially reggae music. Zimdancehall is a part of reggae music. You know, it's a little grandson or granddaughter of reggae music. Because vapana vese vanoimba Zimdancehall vese vazhinji vacho vanonakirwa nereggae music yavanoti dancehall yana Vibes Cartel yana I-Octane, you know, Tarantula, all those people. But I'm missing music because of 1-2 songs ziri kutaura zvinhu zvisina kusimira. Even ana Marvin Gaye ngowani vakaimba imwe let's get it on, unofunga zvori yechi izvozvo. zvorechi nofunga zvorechi. Bob Marley chaya akaimba stir it up little darling stir it up zvoreva kuti ita chikapa kana yapinda. That's what that song means. So most of you guys don't understand. Even Yellow Man, the king of dancehall, he made it. Achiimba zvinhu explicit lyrics, shabaraks, vibes cartel. You mention it. Leave the dancehall alone. Let the people enjoy themselves. If you want to listen to some culture music, if you want to listen to some rubber music, if you want to listen to Sungura music, Chimurenga, listen to that. Leave Zimdancehall, let people hear Zimdancehall. I banike pa radio. Apana jamuri. Kungotaura kungohukura chete kwamuri kuita German. Saka siya vana va experience hakuna zvekuita mai manje. Zimdancehall created a lot of jobs, promoters, bars, nightclubs, DJs on the radio. Look how many DJs on the radio depend on Zimdancehall. What are they gonna play when you tell them to say, oh, let's ban Zimdancehall on the radio? What you gonna play? Burning Spear? Ijaman Levi? Who in their right mind in 2022, the youths in Zimbabwe, can listen and understand Ijaman Levi or Burning Spear being played on the radio? They will tell you it's boring because they don't even understand the word. When you started listening to reggae music in the 80s, those people were the real people. Culture, Ijaman Levi, Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaacs, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Baniwela, just to name a few. Pat Kelly, Johnny Osborne, Barrington Levi. I can name a lot because I'm a sound system man, I'm a selector. I have most of those music in my house. Saka kuti iwewe utaura kuti mfana angaterere music yechirasta kana music yakadzikama, of which we struggled in the 80s to understand patwa. Taiterera zvatoda kunzwa. Right now, the music is taking shape. Dancer, Zimdancehall. Some of them, they say they don't sing Zimdancehall, they sing whatever, right? But the foundation is Zimdancehall. It's taking shape right now. And there's nothing you can do about it. You can never ban it on the radio because it's only one or two songs. In every genre of music, there's always a song or two that is explicit. Even in hip-hop, reggae music, punk rock, jazz, we have those explicit music. Muchimurenga chamotanga tinadzo. So let the kids live, man. One love, blessed.